Linking Payoneer to PayPal is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome and type PayPal in the search bar. After that, you need to click on the PayPal website link. When the PayPal website is open, here you have to click on the login button. If you are new, you have to click on the sign up button and enter all your details and required documents. After that, you have to create your PayPal account. Once your PayPal account is created, you have to click on the login button, then enter your email and password. Afterward, click on the login button again. Now, you can see that the PayPal website dashboard is open and you can explore its interface. However, here you need to open Payoneer in another tab. Open Google Chrome and type Payoneer in the search bar. After that, click on the Payoneer website link and then click on the sign in button. Here, you have to enter your email or username and your password. After that, click on the sign in button. Now, you need to go back to the PayPal website and click on the Pay and Get Paid button. After that, click on the Banks and Cards button. Now, click on the Link a New Bank button. After that, you have to link your USA bank by clicking on it. Enter your routing number and account number here. You can copy the routing number and account number from the Payoneer website. To do this, open the Payoneer website, click on the Get Paid button, and select the USA bank account. Copy the routing number and account number from there. Next, go back to the PayPal website and paste your routing number and account number. Then click on the Link Your Bank button. After this step, your PayPal account will be linked with your Payoneer account. And it's done. This is how you can link Payoneer to PayPal.